Hello everyone, let's start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is check if array is sorted and rotated. Given an array nums, return true if the array was originally sorted in non-decreasing order, then rotated some number of positions including 0, otherwise return false. So there may be duplicates in the original array. Okay, so an array A rotated by x position results in an array B of the same length such that A of I is equal to B of, okay, this thing. So for example, if this 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, from here, if here you can see this is the original array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is rotated by x is equal to 3 position. So here it is rotated in this way. So rotation means, if you see this example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if we rotate from this position, that means 5 will come in front. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is first one rotation. Again two rotations if we do, then we have 4, 5, 1, 2 and 3. If we do 3 rotations, we will have 3, 4, 5 and 1 and 2. So this is what we have. This is the rotated array, and you can rotate the array by x is equal to 3 position to begin on the element. Okay, so this is what we have to return true if the nums is a rotated array of a sorted array. Okay, and if you see this example, this if we see this, if it is rotated, let's say if it is rotated by 1, if we go back 1, 3, 4 and 2, is this a sorted array? No. And even if we say, if you can say that this in the sorted array first element will be the least like lower element. Okay, so 1, so here you can see 1, 3, 4, 2. This is not a sorted array. Okay, so it will return false. If you see example 3, 1, 2, 3, it is already sorted, so it will return true. Okay, so how we will solve this question is, the thing is you can just sort this array and check. Okay, you can sort this array and check with the like positions and all, and then you will get how many positions are not, uh, I mean, here if we sort 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if we have 3, 4, 5 and 1 and 2, and then you can check if this 1 and 2, okay, this 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, like from where, which is the least element. Okay, you can start from that least element, and then for like a circular array you can check like 1, 2, and again from this 3, 4, 5 to till. Okay, so this is one way. In this video I'm going to tell you a easy approach. Okay, so the what you can do, as we know this is a rotation. Okay, this is the rotated array of a sorted array, so there must be something like this. Okay, here you can say 5 and 2. So here you can see 3, 4, 5, which is in increasing order, and suddenly only 2, this element we have at this point, it is decreasing, again it is increasing. Why? Because it is a rotated, right? So 5 and 1, it is decreasing. So if we find the count of how many there are numbers, okay, where it is decreasing, and if it is only one time it is decreasing, or less than that, because we can have sorted array also, right? Directly we have to return true. So if it is less than, what, less than or equal to 1, then we can say this is a rotated array of a sorted array. Okay, if let's say if we have this example 3, 4, 5, 1, not 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6, then 4, then 2, okay, 4 and 6, 4, 6, I'll take one more example, 3, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so if you see 3, 4 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 4, 5 is greater than, or as we know, no duplicates, there may be duplicates in the original array. Okay, so 5 is greater than or equal to 5, 4 is less, so we got 1 here. Okay, our count will be n 1 again. 4 is less than 6, fine. 6 is greater than 3, so again we got count as 2, because here it is decreasing. Again the 3 4 5, no issue, but two times it is decreasing. How it is a rotation of a sorted array? Because there will be only one point where it will be decreasing. Okay, so that means it is a start of the array. Okay, and also we have to check this element and this element. So our my nums of 0 should be greater than or greater than this number. Okay, that means this one should be greater than 3. Here my 3 should be no, 1 should be less than 3. And here, why this is here? Because see, this is a rotation, this is not a rotation, so this condition will not satisfy. But in here, this 3 should be greater than 2 only. Here 1 is not greater than 3, but this is a already sorted array, not a rotation. Okay, but here we have to check if 3 is greater than 2. Then what? Then we will, if it is not, we will increment again the count. So let's start coding. Let's take int n is equal to nums dot length. And what we have to do for int I equal to, from 1 I, or I is equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, as we will be comparing the adjacent elements. So n minus 1, if my nums of I, okay, is this current I is greater than my nums of I plus 1. Okay, then we can say increment my count. I'll take one count which is 0. I will count plus plus. Okay, now we have got this. Again, as I said, we have to check these numbers as well. Okay, so let's say if I have 1, here I have 4, then it is wrong, right? 1 4, what will be the sorted array? 1 1, there will not be 2 3 3 4 4 5. Okay, so here if it is a 4, then it is wrong. So that is why we have to check if my nums of 0 is less than my nums of n minus 1, I will increment my count. Okay, and we will return count less than or equal to 1. Okay, why less than or equal to 1? As yeah, you can say accepted, because here it is a sorted. So but still, as we are checking, my nums of 0 is less than my this 3, anyway we are incrementing the count. Okay, because in rotation we are checking this way. Okay, so at one point in, if my this is my sorted array, of course my 5 is greater than 1. Okay, and if we rotate by 0, then of course this is my that point where it is decreasing. Okay, so anyway we'll get count as 1. So we are returning this. So let's submit this solution. Yeah, I can see our solution got accepted. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated.